If you've been feeling bloated, fatigued, experiencing frequent abdominal pain, diarrhea, heartburn, or even vomiting, these could be signs that something isn't quite right with your gut health. More serious issues like chronic constipation, hemorrhoids, and, in severe cases, even intestinal bleeding can occur when your gut isn't functioning properly. And if these symptoms are ignored, things can escalate into more serious complications, including colon cancer. But don't worry, because today we're going to reveal the 5 most powerful foods that can repair and heal your gut. And the most surprising part? Many of these foods are probably already in your kitchen. Stick with me, because what you're about to discover can truly transform your health. Get ready, because the most impactful information is yet to come. Have you ever woken up with that unexplained bloated feeling? Or maybe you've gone through days of fatigue that just won't go away, no matter how much you sleep? Well, those symptoms could be signs of something far deeper than just a bad night's sleep. Gut health plays a massive role in our lives, and what most people don't realize is that the gut is like a second brain. If it's not working right, the whole body suffers. Indigestion, abdominal discomfort, gas, and even skin issues and mood swings can all be linked to poor gut health. When the gut is damaged, our bodies stop absorbing essential nutrients, which leads to a serious drop in quality of life. Even worse, if these problems are ignored, the buildup of toxins and constant inflammation can lead to serious, and sometimes even fatal, complications. Sounds scary, right? But the good news is there are natural solutions, and we're here to guide you on that path. Let's talk about 5 powerful foods that are true heroes when it comes to repairing and healing gut health. Get ready, because the first one is going to surprise you. The first food on this list is sweet potatoes. You might not expect it, but they're so much more than just a healthy carb. Sweet potatoes are rich in soluble fiber, which your gut loves. This type of fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, helping restore the balance of your gut flora. A healthy gut is one with diverse bacteria. Think of it this way: when you eat sweet potatoes, you're nourishing your friendly bacteria, and in return, they help you fight off inflammation and improve digestion. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be added to various meals. You can roast them with olive oil and a pinch of sea salt or mash them into a delicious puree to go with a light meal. What makes sweet potatoes even more powerful is that they're a favorite among fitness celebrities like the famous actress and model Gisele Bündchen, who's mentioned that a diet rich in natural foods, including those that benefit gut health, is a key part of her routine. So, if even celebrities are taking care of their gut health with these foods, why not start now? And this is just the beginning. The next foods on the list are even more impressive. The second food on our list is kimchi. If you haven't heard of it yet, get ready to discover a superfood that's taking the world by storm, especially among those looking to live a healthier life. Kimchi is a fermented food from Korea and one of your gut's best friends. The fermentation process produces natural probiotics, which are essential for keeping your gut health in check. These probiotics work like little repairmen, restoring your gut flora and protecting your digestive system from unwanted invaders like bad bacteria and toxins. Celebrities like Gwyneth Paltrow have mentioned in interviews that they include fermented foods as part of their healthy diet. Including kimchi in your meals is simple. You can add it to salads, serve it as a side with meats, or even put it in sandwiches for a healthy and delicious touch. Kimchi acts like a shield for your gut, helping reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. Now imagine combining that with other gut-repairing foods that are still to come. Believe me, there are more surprises on this list that will transform your gut health. The third food on our list of gut-repairing foods is avocado. This superfood is a true treasure for your gut and overall health. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, avocado has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, helping reduce irritation in the digestive tract and promoting smoother digestion. It also contains a good amount of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which help bulk up stool and improve bowel movements, preventing constipation. You've probably heard of celebrities who love avocados in their diets, like actress Jennifer Aniston, who often praises the health benefits of this food. And it's no wonder. Avocados are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can have them on toast, make guacamole, or even add a few slices to your salad. The versatility of avocado is incredible, and its impact on gut health is even more impressive. Imagine your gut functioning like clockwork, no bloating, no discomfort, and with much more efficient digestion. And the best part, as your gut health improves, your energy levels rise, and little by little, you start feeling the benefits throughout your entire body. The exciting thing is, we still have 2 more surprising foods to reveal, and the next one promises to be a real game changer. The 4th food on this powerful list is kale. Often overlooked in meals, it's actually one of the most powerful vegetables for gut health. Rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants, kale acts as a natural cleanser for your gut. These fibers help regulate bowel movements, preventing both constipation and inflammation in the digestive system. What many people don't know is that kale is also excellent for bile production, which is essential for digesting fats properly and eliminating toxins from the body. Celebrities like Beyoncé have included kale in their detox diets, praising not only its aesthetic benefits but also its improvements in digestion and overall health. You can add kale to a morning green smoothie, sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for lunch, or even throw it into soups and stews. Not only is it delicious and versatile, but it also transforms your gut health from the inside out. Every leaf consumed is another step toward restoring and healing your digestive system. And we still have one more food to reveal, which promises to close this list on a high note. The 5th and final food on our list is plain yogurt, but not just any yogurt. We're talking about the kind with no added sugar or preservatives, rich in natural probiotics. This type of yogurt is like liquid gold for your gut, packed with beneficial bacteria that help balance your gut flora, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion in a powerful way. When you consume plain yogurt, you're literally replenishing the army of good bacteria your gut needs to stay healthy. This is especially important in a world where stress, poor diet, and even frequent antibiotic use can harm your gut flora. Tennis star Novak Djokovic, for example, is a big advocate of fermented foods and plain yogurt as part of his health routine, not just for athletic performance but for overall well-being. The best part is that plain yogurt is easy to include in your breakfast, paired with fruits and seeds, or even used as a base for salad dressings. It's not just delicious, it's a real ally in repairing gut health. And now that you know these 5 essential foods, the path to a healthy gut is in your hands. But remember, alongside these foods, there are faster and more efficient ways to speed up the recovery process, which we'll explore next. After learning the importance of gut health and how certain foods can help repair it, it's natural to want to speed up this process effectively. That's where Synagut comes in, a natural supplement that's been recommended by thousands of people to restore gut health. Completely safe, GMP certified, and non-GMO, it enhances the effects of these healthy foods, helping your body absorb nutrients better and eliminating digestive discomforts. If you're looking for a fast and effective solution, Synagut is a powerful ally. It complements your diet and speeds up the recovery process, ensuring a significant improvement in your quality of life. With it, you'll be taking a decisive step towards a lighter, more energetic, and healthier life. And to make things easier, the link to the product is in the comments. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your wellness journey in a natural and effective way. After everything you've learned, it's impossible not to reflect on the impact gut health has on our quality of life. Every little discomfort, every pain, every sleepless night caused by heartburn or constipation could be your body crying out for help. The good news is, you now know the powerful foods that can change that. And to accelerate this process, you can count on Synagut, a natural supplement that has transformed the lives of thousands of people, helping to quickly repair the gut without side effects. Now, think, how would your life be without those discomforts? Spending more time with your family, feeling energetic enough to play with your kids or grandkids, and living with lightness and vitality. You don't need to make drastic changes, just smart decisions and take action now. Don't stay dependent on medications that only mask the symptoms. Start the transformation your body deserves. You are in control. And before you go, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to keep learning how to take care of your health in a natural and effective way.